Okay, guys, do we want some pancakes this morning?
Yeah!
All right, pancakes it is. If you guys want to know what that sound is, it's a new little gift I got for my son, which I'll show you. Is this your new little vacuum?
Yeah.
You gonna clean up after me after pancakes?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's get back to work.
Okay, so.
Okay, so we have 1 cup of flour.
1 cup of ketchup.
No ketchup, but 1 cup of flour. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar in here already. Okay, so ready for this?
Yeah. I'm gonna do milk.
Okay, you're gonna do milk. So here, measure out a tablespoon. Oh, whoops, teaspoon. Mama hasn't had all of her coffee yet. Okay, go ahead, you do it. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking powder. Okay, Mama needs coffee.
Look.
Okay, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so put that in the bowl. Got that in the bowl. We're gonna mix all the dry ingredients, all the wet ingredients, and then fold it together. Okay, that's enough of that. So we really want the baking powder because, especially with gluten-free, it helps the pancakes to rise.
What for?
Yeah. Now we're gonna do a teaspoon of salt, which I have to get. Okay, here we go. Any kind of fine sea salt?
I wanna do it.
Okay, sweetheart, pour that in there. Here. So level off the top with a very, chill knife. Level off the top like I taught you. Okay.
I wanna do it.
1 teaspoon of salt.
I wanna do it.
Okay, go ahead. Great. Okay, so that is, oh, you know what? We're also gonna add in, we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I like adding in cinnamon to my pancakes.
Cinnamon? What's cinnamon?
It's right here.
I wanna do cinnamon.
You can do it. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, kiddo. So this is his bowl, and this is the real bowl. Okay, put cinnamon in your pancakes. Okay, great. We're gonna stir this up. Then what we're gonna do to this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of milk, and an egg. We're gonna whisk it up, and then we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. Don't eat the cinnamon. Don't eat the cinnamon. Oh gosh. 1 second. Oh, sweetie, sweetheart. It's all right. It's just cinnamon. Get your water, sweetie. You're okay. Right. So that was a learning lesson. Yeah. Yeah. Why don't we have some water? Alrighty. Moving on. Wow, what a morning. Okay, so 1 egg, 3/4 a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of butter, which is melted. Let's do it. Alrighty.
No,
Yeah.
it's in here.
Yes, let's just be careful with that cinnamon.
The cinnamon is on here.
Yeah, just don't put it in your mouth. Let's get the egg. Gonna add the 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use canola oil. I like butter just because I like the flavor.
I like butter.
I like butter too.
I do not like butter.
Sweetheart, you love butter.
I like spaghetti.
I like pescetti too.
Spaghetti is
Wet. So this is a really basic gluten-free pancake recipe. Really basic ingredients. Most pancake recipes are very, very similar. The one thing is, you could always use buttermilk if you want to help it rise also, because the gluten-free flour, you really need stuff to help it rise. Oh my gosh! Sweetheart! Good job! Whoa! Very cool! Good job, sweetie.
Thanks, Mommy.
If your batter is too thick, like this, right? Just add a little bit of milk. The other thing too is we're gonna let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes so that the baking powder can help it kind of rise. Again, gluten-free stuff, you wanna give it time to like get some air in there to help it rise. After that, sometimes it gets a little more solidified. Just add some milk, smooth it out a little bit. So to this, let's add a teaspoon. Where's my teaspoon? Peanut, do you have my teaspoon? Oh, here it is. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so now we're just gonna let the batter sit and rise for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Wow.
Okay, so my batter isn't really rising today. I'm not. No, sweetie, I'm talking to my pancake batter. And I think I might have done something weird. Okay, so normally it should be like a little lighter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some milk to this and try to salvage it. Okay, so hold the bowl. You got it? Do you think we need more milk?
Yeah.
All right, ready? I do too. Okay, stir that in and then let's see what happens. Okay, this is like mystery pancake day. Peanut, did you stick anything in here when I wasn't looking?
Yeah.
What'd you put in here?
Nothing.
Because it looks a little funky.
Look.
Yeah, I see. Okay, let's, all we can do is cook it and see what happens. Let's do this. Cinnamon. So I don't use a lot of cooking spray, but with pancakes I tend to because it just makes it a lot easier. So make this really hot. Then we're gonna drop in our pancakes. So we're just gonna drop in, I make them a little bit smaller for my kiddos so they can lift them up with their hands. So we're gonna cook these until there's bubbles around the outside, and that is our indication to flip. Okay, so now we're gonna turn these. So I'm doing this one-handed. Normally I'd do another little additional spray of, ooh! Okay, so, sorry, my son tripped. So once it was bubbling, I flipped it over, and now I'm gonna take these off. They're a little well done. I don't know if this is the best example of pancake action, but it'll do. Okay guys, breakfast is ready. So we have pancakes. My son likes peanut butter and maple syrup on his. Okay, not my best batch, but hey, I think it's gonna still taste delicious. All right, breakfast time. Okay, so normally I would show you guys how to freeze the pancakes and reheat them, but this batch was kind of disastrous, so we're not gonna do that. But we did have, guys, we did have a pancake morning though, right? Okay. Next time, I'm gonna show you guys how to, we'll try it again. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. I'll see you guys soon.